Hi guys, my name is Christina. I'm a nutritional therapist, which basically means that I look at your diet and I look at your lifestyle and help you make the necessary adjustments so you can thrive. After all, our chances of being here is 1 in 400 trillion. So why waste it, right? In this channel, you will find informational and easy digestible content, as well as delicious recipes, like this and this. Every week I upload new content on this channel, so do subscribe so you are notified when a new video goes live.